All right, everyone. Our next product is our black high heel ankle height sandals. Now, if you have a boutique, if you're selling on Poshmark, Mercari, if you want to know how to get your Instagram business started, this is how. When you visit our website, we're going to be putting up new products daily so that you can get started on the cheap. You don't have to have a lot of money. We don't have order minimums where you have to order like 500, 1,000. You can just order this one right here and we'll send it straight to you just like that. Now, with this, it's $156.37, but you're getting 12 of them. Now you can get a close-up. I pulled the camera. Calculator, but you can get a close-up. And I already did the pricing, but I'll do it again for you guys. 156.37 divided by 12. You're looking at $13 a piece. And if you come over and you just look at just pricing, heels, you can see that the different prices. And if you were to go over to Poshmark or Mercari, that you could make a lot of money over there because they're making lots and lots of money over there. You can see a lot of the girls on YouTube making their videos, but a lot of people don't know where to get the products. So that's where we come in. We get all of this stuff. We've been on YouTube for almost 4 years now. This is what we do full time. We get you suppliers and we also sell our own suppliers. So now what did I want to say? Oh, what I want to say also is like this video, share it with a friend. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't, because we're going to be coming out with videos pretty much every single day by the numbers. There's going to be a lot of videos coming out. And I also have a treat. What I'm going to be doing is, now this is if you want to start your own business, okay? If you want to start your own business, we have the wholesale for you. But we also going to be doing some deals for but this isn't wholesale, but it'll be name brand products that you can get for low, but it won't be wholesale. Now that being said, this is for if you want to start your business. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like this video, and we're gonna take care of you. You can see many people on YouTube, we have a phone number. You can call us. We've been here for a long time. We aren't going anywhere. So like I said, if you want to get your Instagram business started, Poshmark, eBay, Amazon, whatever it is that you want to do, we have the suppliers for you to get started. You can see that's a nice high heel shoe. Thank you, and I'm out.